We're going to look at Evidence Manager's Mailmerge functionality in this portion of our tour. Evidence Manager has a built-in word processor that is used to create a letter or form template. Once the template is created, it can be used to merge data from Evidence Manager. We will demonstrate a couple of the uses for this Mailmerge function. The first thing we'll look at will be the word processor. It is found under the Modules option on the main menu. When the word processor is first opened, we are positioned on the Letter Maintenance tab. This is where we can choose a letter template to work on. New templates can also be added here. We have 4 different templates currently, so let's have a look at the Return to Owner letter. We double-click to open up that template. Now we are in the actual word processor, which is under the Letter tab, and we're working on the Return to Owner letter. There are several different merge fields in this letter. For example, today's date and person's surname. To insert a merge field into the letter, we choose one from the drop-down list. When the merged letter is produced, the merge fields will be replaced with the appropriate data from Evidence Manager. This template is obviously a letter advising a person that they can visit the office to claim some property. Next, we'll go to a case file and see how the merge functions. We are now positioned at a recovered stolen property case file on the Files tab. We are going to generate a letter to advise the property owner that she can come and claim her 2 items. Let's go over to the Items tab. These are the 2 items that we would like to have included on our letter. The letter is going to be sent to one of the persons in our case file, so we head over to the Persons tab. We have 2 persons for this case file, and the victim is the one that the property will be returned to, so we are positioned on the victim record. Use the Preview button to start the process. There is one letter template available to us, and it's the correct Return to Owner letter. We choose that template, and a screen comes up with a list of all the items for this case file. We want both items included on our letter, so we tag them both using the mouse. Now we're ready to generate the letter. Our letter is produced from the Return to Owner template. We can place our department stationery in the printer and print out our letter. We can also use the barcode label printer to print a mailing label for our letter's envelope. That's all there is to generating a mail-merged letter. Let's have a look at one more example. Our property owner has arrived at our evidence room to pick up her 2 items that were listed on the letter that we sent out. We're going to produce a property receipt so we can get a signature to release the property. We are positioned at the Items tab of our Recovered Stolen Property case file. We bring up the letter selection screen. The letter we want to generate is the property receipt. Here is our item selection for this case file, and once again we'll choose both items using the mouse. Now we can generate the property receipt. The receipt was generated from the property receipt template that was created in our word processor. We print out the receipt so we can get the signature from our property owner. This has been just a couple of examples of the many uses for the Mailmerge function in Evidence Manager. That concludes this portion of the tour, so we'll navigate back to the main